Sunday is that one certified day of the week to truly rest, reset, and recharge. And while a shower routine might seem simple, it can be one of the most grounding rituals that can help you unwind, feel refreshed, and step into the new week feeling your best. Hi, I'm Sreeja, an esthetician. You're watching me on BeBeautiful, and this is your sign to romanticize your Sunday reset. We romanticize skincare routines, hair spas, and wellness rituals. But sometimes all you need is few extra minutes in the washroom, intention, and some effective products. Even on lazy days, our skin and body still needs care. I start with the Love Beauty and Planet coconut water and mimosa flower body wash. It smells like a tropical exhale, light, airy, and instantly calming. It's one of those scents that tells your nervous system that it's okay to breathe, to soften, and to slow down. But here's what most people don't realize. Body washes are not just about the smell. They should not make you feel stripped. They should cleanse your skin, but at the same time should make it feel super soft and smooth, and this one does the job perfectly. This is a step which a lot of people skip. If your skin feels itchy, tight, or dry halfway through the day, there's a good chance that you did not moisturize. Body lotion isn't just nice to have, it's a must. If you're looking for a good hydrating body lotion that does the job, I recommend the Vaseline Light Hydrate Serum in Lotion. It's super lightweight, sinks in fast, and has niacinamide, so it's not just hydrating, it also helps even out skin tone and supports your skin barrier. No stickiness, just hydration that lasts. Now before you oil your hair, try this 2-ingredient kitchen DIY that actually clears buildup and boosts hair health. If your scalp has been feeling a little oily or itchy, this DIY scalp scrub is definitely worth adding. Just mix a spoon of sugar with a bit of coconut oil, that's it. Massage it gently onto your scalp for a minute or two. It helps lift buildup, boost circulation, and makes your oil absorb better. Feels like a mini detox for your scalp with ingredients that you probably already have at home. One of the most underrated steps in any routine, scalp care. Your scalp is skin too, and just like your face, it needs equal amount of nourishment, circulation, and attention. I like using Indulekha's Bringa oil for this. It's a 100% Ayurvedic oil enriched with bringraj and 10 other herbs, and it's clinically proven to reduce hair fall and promote new hair growth. The built-in comb applicator makes it super easy to apply directly to scalp. No mess, no oily hands. Even if you leave it on just 30 minutes before washing, the ritual itself feels grounding. It's my little Sunday reset, a quiet moment, a relaxing massage, and real care for your roots. And to wash it out, I use Indulekha's Bringa shampoo. It's sulfate-free, gentle, and pairs perfectly with oiling, especially if you're doing it regularly. That's it. That's my Sunday reset. No complicated routines, no pressure to be perfect. Because the truth is, you don't need a flawless routine. You just need one that feels present. Whether it's 5 minutes or 20, what matters is that you pause and tune in. Thanks for watching. For more product recommendations and tips like this, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon below. See you soon.